Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Matplotlib library in Python. In this video, we will cover the basics of Matplotlib, including interactive code examples, real-life use cases, and its application in industry. Matplotlib is a powerful data visualization library for Python. It enables us to create a high-quality plots, charts, and graphs to visualize data and gain insights from it. Whether you are a data scientist, analyst, or a developer, Matplotlib is an essential tool to have in your arsenal. Now let's start by looking at some interactive code examples. Matplotlib provides a wide range of options to customize our plots and charts. Let's take a look at some of the basic commands and functions to create a simple line plot. Here we have import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. After that, we need to import a numpy. To create some data, uh, we need np.linespace as well as np.sign so that it will give us the sign function. We can try this code. Here is the full code. We need to create a figure and axis for subplots, then plot the data. We need to give the title and label as sine waves and x-axis as well as the y-axis. After that, we need to show the plot. Just run this, and here we go. We get our output as the sine wave. Now, here is the output. The same will work for following codes. Matplotlib provides a wide range of plot types from a basic line plot to complex 3D visualization. Let's take a look at some of the most common plot types and their respective functions. So here I have these three: line plot, dot plot, bar graph. After that, the histogram, the box plot, and the pie plot. Last but not the least, I have the 3D plot also. So let's take a look in the code below. Okay, so for the first, I need to plot a line plot. Okay, so for that, I need to first import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I need to import pandas as PD. Okay, and here is our code. I don't need pandas here, but for further use, I have imported it. This is just a simple line graph. Okay, so I have used here a plt.plot and passed the argument x comma y. After that, I need to create a scatter plot. For the same, it will show you the dots. Okay, dot graph, or to be precise, scatter graph. After that, we have a bar graph. So here we have x, a, b, c, d, and y as their values. So till that values, it will be having a bar. So for a, it has 10, for b, it is 20, c 15, d 30, and e, it is 25. Now we have also one graph as a histogram. So for histogram, we have plt.hist, and we need to pass the data. Bingo. And for this, we have got a histogram. After that, I also have a box plot to show you. Just plt.boxplot and pass the data 1 to 9. It has 1 to 9, and in the middle it is 73, and the middle one is 5. Okay. I also have the pie plot, that is pie chart, which is just plt.py, and I need to pass the sizes, and these sizes are sum up to 100. Okay, because the whole circle we need to create. Okay, so 30%, 20%, 10%, and 40% of the area is covered in various colors. We can name this, we can do anything. Okay, so I don't need pandas here. Okay, I just plot a 3D plot. Okay, it has the functions that access 3D. Okay, so access 3D dot plot. I'll just run it. Hope it works. Yeah, this is the 3D graph. So x, y, and z. So 1 comma 2 comma 1 is the first point, and 5 comma 10 comma 5 is the last point, and this is the one line created as a 3D component. Okay, in plt dot plot, we have just two arguments, x and y. It will give the 2D line. When we pass x comma y comma z, it will give a 3D line plot. There are just few examples of many types of plots that Matplotlib can create. You can try it out, different functions, and customize the plots to create a more complex visualization. So basically, so this code imports the required modules and creates a 3D plot using Matplotlib library in Python. The code creates a figure and subplot using the add underscore subplot method with 111 indicating a single plot and a projection equal to 3D, specifying a 3D plot. Three lists x comma y comma z are created to hold the xy z axis data points respectively and are plotted using the plot method of the subplot ax. Finally, the show method is used to display the 3D plot. Now here it comes the real life example of Matplotlib. Matplotlib is widely used in various industries to create visualization that help make data driven decisions. One such example is use Matplotlib in the finance industry. In finance industry, Matplotlib is used to visualize financial data and trends such as stock prices, market trends, and economic indicators. Our company, one company that uses Matplotlib in their financial analysis is Goldman Sachs. This Goldman is a global investment banking, securities, and investment management firm that provides a wide range of financial services. They use Matplotlib to create a visualization of financial data such as stock price trends, trading volumes, and economic indicators. By using Matplotlib, the firm is able to gain insights from financial data and make informed decisions based on the trends and the patterns observed in the data. Use of the Matplotlib in industries. Apart from finance, Matplotlib is widely used in other industries as well, such as healthcare, education, and research. In healthcare, Matplotlib is used to create visualizations of medical data such as patient record, medical imaging, and disease trends. In education, Matplotlib is used to create visualization of student performance data such as exam scores and attendance records. This helps educators gain insights into student performance and identify areas that need improvement. In research, Matplotlib is used to create visualization of scientific data such as experimental results and research findings. This helps researchers communicate their findings and gain insights from the data to others. Last but not the least, in the summary part, I have to mention few points that Matplotlib is a powerful library that provides a variety of tools for data visualization. It is widely used in various industries such as finance, healthcare, education, and research to gain insights and make data driven decisions. In finance, Matplotlib can be used to visualize financial data such as stock prices, market trends, and economic indicators. It can help companies like Goldman Sachs to analyze financial data and make informed decisions based on the trends and patterns observed in the data. In healthcare, Matplotlib can be used to create visualizations of medical data such as patient record, medical imaging, and disease trends. This can help healthcare professionals to gain insights into patients' health and make informed decisions regarding their care. Matplotlib provides a range of plots that can be used to visualize different types of data. Line plots are commonly used to visualize trends over time, while scatter plots are used to visualize the relationship between two variables. Bar plots are used to compare the values across the categories. Histograms are used to show the distribution of data. Matplotlib also provides specialized plots such as pie charts, heat maps, and 3D plots that can be used to visualize specific types of data. Here I mention a plot of heat map. We will cover it in the Seaborn library. Additionally, Matplotlib provides a range of customization options that allows users to customize the appearance of their plots to suit their needs. This includes options such as changing the color, size, as well as the font of the plot element, adding the labels and the titles, as well as changing the axis, limits, and scales. That's it for this tutorial on Matplotlib. We covered the basics of Matplotlib, including the interactive code examples, real life use cases, and its application in the industry. If you want to learn more about Matplotlib, check out the official Matplotlib documentation and example, and let's try out by your own. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Python and data science. Thank you.